quince are a bizarre looking fruit. They're not really ready yet. Sort of like a yellowy colour when they're ready, so they're almost ready. I've just got one of these. This variety is called Serbian Gold, and it's been here for ages. But the fruit don't really taste very nice. I can usually find somebody to take a load for cooking and things. They're quite good in cooking. But they are kind of their own little group, you know. They're like their Latin name cydonia, whereas apples is malus and pears are pyrus, and so they're like in their own totally separate little group. And there are a few different varieties of them. The mouldy one there, I'll pick that one off. Lob that for the geese. But yeah, they're not anywhere really ready yet. They're usually ready in October, and it has quite a lot of them. Very, very nice colours in the autumn this tree goes. Also the blossom are very interesting. They're like individual apple blossoms about kind of so big. They just look really strange, and they flower after the other fruit trees. So they're kind of a nice exotic plant to have in an orchard. But they are a little bit prone to suckering. But yeah, they're kind of worth all the extra work. They're kind of floppy as well. If you look here, they're kind of very floppy. So you can you get a kind of like a little canopy area like underneath them. And you can see this one's throwing up lots of suckers here, which I'm every so often having to cut back. So that's like whatever type of quince rootstock, and then the actual Serbian Gold bit up here. So they're kind of a bit like apples in that way. They kind of fall over quite a bit. But they are beautiful trees, and you can usually find somebody who'll take a bag of them or something like that. But they are quite gruesome to eat, I think. And if you look, they're kind of fluffy. Before they're ripe, they have this like fluff on them, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, they kind of go bright, kind of slightly orangey, bright yellowy colour, and they sort of start falling off in profusion when they're ripe. So they're kind of got a little bit longer to go. Maybe 2-3 weeks, I reckon.